What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about turning on HTTPS. Yeah, HTTPS on Splunk. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about turning on HTTPS within Splunk Enterprise. I've been playing around with Splunk for a hot minute. So I needed to turn on HTTPS because I am trying to get my ADFS server to be configured to do single sign-on. So I needed to get that protocol turned on within my Splunk server. So to do that, first thing that we need to do is launch your favorite browser and go into your Splunk Enterprise portal, which is right here. Enter your username and password. For me, I'm going to enter admin and whatever password that I set up. Hopefully you guys checked out the Splunk installation video that I did a while back. That's how I set everything up. And I'm going to click on sign in. Once you are here, we are going to locate on the upper right-hand side. We're going to click on settings, and that is going to give us a nice little submenu. So click on it. There it goes. Underneath system, we are going to locate and click on server settings. So click on it. It's going to take you here. We're going to click on general settings. So click on that. And there goes the option, enable SSL or HTTPS. I think I said that too fast. HTTPS in Splunk Web. By default, it is turned off, which is no. We're going to select yes. We're going to scroll down. We're going to click on save and successfully updated settings. Great. Now you have two options here. And the two options is you could either restart the services or restart the server. I like to restart the services because it's much faster. So we are going to click on start. We're going to start typing in services. We're going to locate and click on services. So there goes. So click on it and locate Splunk D service. We're going to right click on it. We're going to click on restart. It's going to start restarting. Once it restarts, what you're going to do is open up your browser and go into your Splunk portal. Now, most likely you have been using HTTP. You're going to change it to HTTPS and whatever your, domain name is. I like to use the loopback, which would be 127.0.0.1. So that's what I did. With the port of 8000, you're going to get your connection isn't private. This is a good thing. Basically, that means that the SSL is turned on within that site. So we are going to click on advance and then click on continue to whatever. And then there it goes. Just log into your Splunk Enterprise, make sure everything is up and running. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.